Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate our application used car price prediction system. First of all, I would like to introduce ourselves. We are Team Code Masters and I am Dineshwaran and my team members are Velon and Navi. Our problem domain is in this competitive business market, the sellers are uncertain about fixing an ideal price for their used cars so that they can ensure making a reasonable profit. Even though there are several existing solutions available for predicting the price of the used cars, the accuracy of the prediction system has been limited due to the considering only a narrow selection of independent variables. Our solution is to implement a web application by considering unique attributes in order to enhance the accuracy to ensuring the user's satisfaction. So this is our machine learning application. To develop this application, our application has three major components, which is front end, data science and back end. We have used React for our front end development. For the back end development, we have used Flask API built with Python scripts. In the data science component, we have tested our data with three machine learning component models. So these are the three machine learning models that we have used to test our data. So we have got 99% accuracy in random forest model. So we are using the random forest model to develop our application. This is our application, used car price prediction. So these are the attributes that we have used to predict this price. Make, model, year of manufacture, ownership, engine capacity, kilometer have driven, sales type, type of gear and fuel type, and finally the submit button. So we move on to the demonstration. So here in every text fields are validated and tested. So for an example, I am going to insert some values for the prediction. So first, if I click the makes text field, I can see some of the car manufacturers like BMW, Ford, Honda, etc. So for the model, I'm going to type i3. So year of manufacture will be 2013. Ownerships, I will put the ownership 3, engine capacity as 1000 and kilometers as 1000, sale types as used and semi-automatic. I'll select diesel. So here the ownership and the sales type, we are able to solve this problem by considering two unique attributes in contrast to the existing solution. Those are the previous ownership data and its sales type, which describes the state of the car, whether it's previously is registered, used as demo or a classic type, etc. So we have entered all the values to each and every text fields. So if I click the submit button, it will show the predicted price here. So the car price will be $48,876.85. In our application, we cannot leave these text fields as null value. For an example, if I select the BMW, if I click the submit button, it will pop up an error message. Please fill out this field. Here, each and every text fields are validated. For an example, if I haven't select any sales types or gear type or fuel type, if I click the submit button, it will return an error message, fill all the fields. So now I am going to demonstrate again. So now this time I am going to select Mercedes-Benz. So the model will be S class. manufacture is 2019, ownership is 2, and the engine capacity will be 1900, kilometer has driven is 5000, sail type is used, and gear type is semi-automatic, fuel type is diesel. So if I click the submit button, so I'm getting a price $50,000 and 164. So now we have look on a back end. So we have got the results $50,000 and $164.06 for the car. So if I come to the back end, so we can see the results here. The make is Mercedes-Benz, model is S-Class, months 2019, ownership is 2, engine capacity is 1900, and kilometer has driven is 5000, gear type is semi-automatic, fuel type is diesel, and the predicted price will be $50,164.86. And finally, we hope our application would solve the issue of used car buyers and sellers and help them to predict an accurate price of their used cars and ensure quick sale with maximum profit. Thank you.